Hi, my name is Dan Wynn. I'm a business attorney in Orange County, California. And today I'm going to talk about which state you should file for your LLC if you are a California real estate investor. So, a lot of these days, a lot of California residents and investors are looking outside of California to invest into real estate because the dollar goes a much farther in other states. And so, a lot of you may know, California charges an $800 franchise tax for each LLC and corporation every year that operates in the state of California. So whether you do business or not, you're still on this hook for the $800 franchise tax. Now, some people think that if you form the LLC in another state, then you can avoid this franchise tax. Uh, some people think if you invest in another state and form the LLC over there, you can avoid this franchise tax, which, if you're a California resident, that is not the case. If you're a California resident managing a real estate investment outside of California and that investment is an LLC, you do owe the franchise tax to the state of California. And I'll show you where in the franchise tax board information. So what you're seeing here on the page is limited liability company filing information. And what I'm going to do is just click on this doing business in California, because what franchise tax board says is if you do business in California, you're liable for the $800 franchise tax. Okay. All right. So the example one is the perfect one that they talk about. Is Paul's a California resident and member of a Nevada LLC. The Nevada LLC owns property in Nevada. LLC hires a Nevada management company to collect rent and provide maintenance. Paul has the right to hire and fire the management company. He occasionally has telephone discussions from California with the management company in Nevada regarding the property. He is ultimately responsible for the property, oversees the management. Paul conducts business in California on behalf of the LLC, and the LLC must file Form 568. So, just the example that they give, if you have a Nevada LLC or Texas LLC, Washington LLC, there's property there. You manage it, you control it from the state of California. You must file the Form 568 and pay the franchise tax. Now, what if you um, have a California LLC that manages, say, a Nevada property? Okay. Now, this is state by state dependent, but most likely, if you are renting out a property for commercial purposes, second income, you're likely doing business in that particular state and have to register your California LLC in that state as a foreign entity. So you just want to double check the state of that law, what constitutes doing business in that particular state, and address the situation accordingly. I do remember I was looking up Illinois, and if you own real estate but do nothing else, then that's not considered um, doing business, where you have to file a foreign LLC there. But if you're essentially, again, renting it out, then you're responsible for filing a foreign entity there. So this is Dan answering the question: hey, if you are a California resident, where should you file your where should you file your LLC? The answer is you can form it in California, register it in that particular state as a foreign entity, or file in the foreign state and then register in California as a foreign entity. All right. Hope this has been helpful. This is Dan. Talk to you soon.